Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we will see that how to capture the entire means complete web page. Okay. So for example, you open any site. Okay. So now maximum you can take snap of the screen which is visible to you, right? Like this. But what if you want to take the complete website screenshot? Okay. So for this we can download extension. So download screen capture extension for Chrome. So this is best one. Go full page. Okay, click on this and you can add to Chrome. Add extension. So as soon as you turn on this, so this extension is still not visible. So to see that extension, click here and pin this. Okay, now you will be able to see. Now open the site Microsoft.com and click on this icon. Okay. Now download in PDF format or you can download in JPG format or PNG format. So this is the way to download the entire web page. See, you can see the clarity. Clarity is also very good. So this is how you can download the entire web page of any website. Okay. So this was a short video on how to do this. Friends, request you to please like my video and subscribe my channel to see the videos like this, and request you to please share as much you can. Thank you.